to say goodbye to skinny brows for good.
A fuller eyebrow is definitely on trend these days, but getting that natural look isn't always easy.
So we find out how some stars get the perfect arch, even if they aren't born with it.
And a warning to some viewers, there's some hair-raising footage ahead.
Bold brows are absolutely back. That natural look that you see in celebrities like Cara Delevingne, for example, are actually serving to frame your eyes, just like your hairline can frame your face.
Yes, Sofia Vergara, Lily Collins, Emilia Clarke all proudly rock a fuller brow. But even if your brows aren't quite so bold, there's a new option on the table.
Brow transplants have become very, very popular. The most common cause as to why we see brow thinning in this day and age is just overplucking, and overzealous plucking was really the trend in the 90s, and that's something that we're trying to reverse now with eyebrow transplantation.
Yes, if you're done looking like 90s Gwen Stefani, the solution is here.
We take a strip of hair from the back of the head. Those get divided underneath a microscope and then get transplanted one by one into the recipient site, versus the newer technique, FUE, where we take individual hole punches in the back of the head, essentially leaving no scar whatsoever, and then doing the transplant in the exact same way.
First up, pencil in perfectly.
From the corner of the mouth to the corner of the limbus, which is the peak itself of the eye. And then when we look at the lateral portion, we frame it from the nose to the corner of the eye, out towards the most lateral portion of the brow itself. What do you think? You happy with that? All right, great. So we'll get going.
Then a little freezing.
So I'm actually selecting the individual hair grafts. That was one hair that just got sucked up. So you can take a look at the little hairs. You see the bulbs on the transplants, and you can see how they're all single unit follicles. So we're now going at 90 degrees to the skin itself. We're making little pokes into the skin right before we place the hairs themselves.
And after hours of implanting the tiny hairs one by one, boom, brows on trend.